Test, test, test. Test, test, test. Alright. Audio's great. Put you over there. Okay. Um... Um... He stopped suggesting the same song. So hydrogen make compound equation. Compound blank to compound. One compound. Two compound. Alright, let me my research was mapping out the Milky Way. We knew its rough shape and size well before the early 60s, but my principal investigator wanted to map it in detail. We surveyed the galaxy's spiral arms and densities, the rate of rotation, how they would all undulate independently, and the part that gets me going is their elemental composition. How large was the project? 4 years, every day. That was my life. Adjust the telescope, record data, and analyze. Slow, tedious, and highly granular process. Complex task, one step at a time. With a fine-tooth comb and an eager eye. The same story here, only the stars have come to us. Alright, transmission. So, let's make a bit of sense of this. So, atom equals a mass count of 1, hydrogen. Hydrogen makes a compound. Compound, something extra that we don't know, goes into compound and something extra. Maybe it's talking about combustion? Whoa, atom make meteor, atom make alien, and atom make Earth. Oh, we're so close to finishing the week last night. Oh, I wish we just continued it for a little bit. Yo, boss. My bro Akaz is depressed. God, I'm tired. Helium Y, Akaz, chime in here. You know your way around the period table better than the rest of us, so, well, helium's the second. Second early hydrogen across the universe, and then noble. Noble. Noble means nothing will react with it. Not yo. Hello, Theo. Morning. Not entirely true. My high school. Well, I guess at the time this game was made, or is based in, they don't know that. But my high school chemistry teacher, his PhD was about making. What element was it? Periodic table. Yeah, it's true. I'm just saying get a story for the sake of it. My high school chemistry teacher, his entire thesis was making xenon react under very specific conditions. Ah, fuck, that's hot. Ow! Helium never react or form compounds. I used to know, but I couldn't tell you. I remember reading his PhD thesis when I was doing my A-levels, because I had him for A-level as well. He's such a nice guy. It was extremely intense. I think I do. Yeah. I remember being under, like, I think extreme pressures, or maybe it was extreme temperatures. I can't remember, but a very high energy environment. Akaz, you're a genius. 3 transmissions ago, those were the elements listed together. It confirms that mass and atom represent element and atom. We know this. They should hurry up and learn our language. Six o'clock sharp. That's right. We're up 6 o'clock sharp. The game knows. So yeah, we got a word for atom mass. Lumper just got done chasing around the kitchen. There, I'll put Flumpy in my journal. Timid, I managed to help confirm some of our dictionary words in the meeting this week, which feels good, but it's really the brilliance and essential detail carry a piece still with the other regardless. Okay, yeah. Alan, he's super depressed. He's feeling like his life's work is just all pointless. Yeah, the Flumpy is out there terrorizing. I think I preferred the word mass for element. Maybe I should make it atomic mass or just a mass. Because I don't want to get confused with atom. Because I feel like element and atom, they're too similar. Like, when I see it says mass, I know it's talking about its atomic mass. Because, yeah, this one is definitely atom. Yeah, this one is definitely compound or molecule. This one is definitely, like, I don't know how to put it, like the, it's like equals, but in a reaction equation. Ooh, that's actually a good note from, but Autista. That it's not necessarily one way. Yeah, you know what, I'll change it to that. This chemical reaction again. R. Maybe we could change it to R. As reaction. Formatting. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. I think maybe... Yeah, maybe no space. Alright. So, unknown 60, unknown 61, unknown 62 make an atom. Okay, it has to be protons, electrons, and neutrons, right? No idea in which order. So protons, neutrons, and electrons are less than the area of an atom. Surely that's false. Surely it's the same, because they are an atom. It's true. I didn't really get what it's asking. Alright. It's gonna have to separate between ions and isotopes. So 60 and 62 make atom 1. I think that is protons. Oh, 1 second, I've been messaged. Make atom. Yes, make compounds. Sounds more correct. You gotta think like extremely basic. If it was saying make compound, I would think that it's trying to put two molecules together to make compound. You're like think extremely like baby steps, very basic language. So I think it's trying to describe protons, neutrons. Isn't that what it's saying though? So it's saying that these three unknowns here make an atom. So we need to come up with words. Oh, this one. Yeah, that's what I'm currently trying to think. I think it's trying to say protons, neutrons. Then it's proton. Okay. I don't know which one's which. 1 second. I need to turn this music slightly down. I like it, but it's just really loud. Whiteboard. Reference. Chemistry. Periodic table. So it's talking about atom 1. Okay, so 2 neutrons. Okay. So yeah, under 61 must be neutrons. I'm guessing 60 is protons and 62 is electrons. Oh, I need to format them. I wonder if it'll go into neutrinos and all of the sub-particles. Probably not. I don't know when those were discovered. I'm guessing that's going to be before this game's time period. So 6 protons, 6 neutrons make atom 6. Wait. One proton, one electron make atom one. One neutron, one proton make atom one. Oh, it does say 6. I just completely, when was this made? Well, the game was made this year, but I mean, it was the game's based in, like, 1970. This is what I was trying to say. Like, yeah, this game only released, like, 2 weeks ago, or maybe a bit more than 2 weeks ago. It's really new. Which is actually kind of beneficial, because yeah, if you it's hard to cheat. Carbon. Unfortunately, we haven't gone to the part of actually naming the element, so I'm just putting atom. See, this is the bit I don't like. I don't like calling it atom 6. I'd much prefer to call it element 6. But atom is a small word, so I guess it's fine. Electron is less than the area of a proton, so proton is not small. Hello, Leon. I literally just opened my eyes like none of my alarms want to work. Unlucky. Yeah, I do agree that I should change it to element view, but I'm gonna keep it as atom since it's a smaller word. Because one problem I do have is big words make more lines. Maybe I can just shorten it down to E. Yeah, you can change it to anything you want. When I first started playing this game, all of these top ones, I used to have it as my favorite games. So I think I had number 2 as Minecraft. I had number 5 as Outer Wilds. I had Factorio, one of them, and I had a few more. But once I realized that it was teaching me maths, I had to change it to something that I could actually understand, and something much shorter. Isn't there a symbol for... Isn't there like an abbreviation to say element? No, it's just X. Just no, say element. But no, trust me, it can get really confusing if there's like millions of words. So you need to try and have like short words. I'm just gonna put that as L. Com. And I'm changing this to com. This can get changed to pro. This can get changed to new. I'm gonna keep this as electron just because I have the L. Electron is less than area of proton, so proton, something not electron. Not equal to electron, maybe? Okay. No, just say element. It was good what I did at the observatory at grad school. Yep, I'm not one to brag, turning a new leaf, question mark, but I was pretty great actually. It wasn't just grunt work I did. I picked up on patterns. The younger nebula, the higher its metallicity. True. Metallicity it measures the ratio of hydrogen and helium compared to every other element. Metals to non-metals. That's what us astronomers care about when it comes to atoms. We keep it simple. If it ain't hydrogen or helium, it's metal to us. Based. Drives chemists nuts. So, a higher metallicity means less hydrogen, helium, and more other elements. Right on, and hydrogen and helium are the elements with the lowest mass, which means a higher metallicity means a higher density. So I postulated that a higher metallicity would accelerate the nebula's accretion into a star. True. Gravity is dependent on mass and distance, and more mass in a smaller distance would mean gravity does its job, all the merrier. Plus the star would have more fuel to start nuclear fusion, and then, whoa, slow down. It's been too long, way too long since I've been in an observatory, and I don't see that changing anytime soon. Metallicity. There you go. Suck my dick. In Minecraft. Metaphorically. A proton area is equal to a neutron area, and a proton is not equal to a neutron. Proton greater than area electron, so neutron is greater than area of an electron. Hackers, are you saying that you worked on your thesis for 4 years? That's thorough, to say the least. Bro, I've been working on my fucking thesis for like 4 years. I've barely started. That was my PI's project. It was his research, his paper. Yeah, I was the third author, which ain't bad, but you know how research goes, and how's that? A little red hen bakes a cake, and then the PI eats it. True? True, true, true. 8 proton, 8 neutron, 8 electron, make atom 8. I'm going to guess. What? Oh, oh yeah, I changed it to L8. Wait. Yeah, I changed it to L8. Transmission 256, halfway to 1000. Yeah, in base 8. The dark times. Embrace the aliens, think like the aliens. Okay. Proton equals body. Okay, body is kind of used interchangeably with planet. So it wants me thinking like that. Oh my god, there's an image. The images is my favorite part. Alright. Proton equals body. Body 2. So this is a proton, this is a neutron, and this will be an electron. Oh, for fuck's sake. Alright, I'm changing it. I'm changing it. This one can be element. It needs to just be actual words when they're two next to each other, right? Neutron equals body 1. Oh, new visual. Two protons, two neutrons, and two electrons. Element 2. The aliens actually work in base 8 though. That was the first puzzle of the game, was 6 plus 4 was 12, since they don't have they don't do digit 9. They don't do 8 and 9 digits. No, there's no image. Okay. So negative un63 is an element. Negative un63 1 equals element 1. Negative 63 1 neutron count is equal to 0. Maybe this is an isotope. One 2 is element 1. Neutron count is 1. 2 3 element 2. Neutron count is 1. Element 2 with a different neutron count. Okay, this has to be isotope. Beep 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 beep. Okay. So what is isotope 1327? Surely not. This equals element 1, element 2, element 2, element 10. Okay. It is aluminium. Element 13. Count equals 14. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong one. Hey, how is it not element 13? Let's see what their idea is. This isotope feels the same as isotope, but with another number to label it. It's because we're adding the neutron count to the second number. They are summing the neutrons and protons together. So what are they asking for? From the components of group 0 to isotope 2,4. And aluminium, an isotope of aluminium 27. Oh, there's already element there. Okay, that's why I was getting confused. Does that just work? Okay, yeah. It was just 13. Isotope 2356 is equal to element. Well, it'd be 23, but I'm curious to see which element they're talking about. Vanadium. Ooh. Alan, I hope this isn't too forward, but I've been thinking about what you said. What you said about grad school and research. Being third author on that paper seems to trouble you. Maybe more than it should. And I'm no astronomer, but it sounds like an incredible paper. Something that you helped make possible. Bruh, if Alan kills himself, I'm gonna be upset. Dude, this guy's working on a top secret mission with First Contact. Oh, maybe he's getting depressed that I'm the main character. It's me. I'm the main character, not Alan. Okay, so neutron count. Atomic mass. Okay, so neutron count is 14 because we're looking for the isotope number. The atom number's 13, so that means it's 13 protons and 14 neutrons. Hehehe. Visual available. Let's go. Looks like hydrogen and deuterium. Isotope count 2. So there's 2 isotopes. X0 and X1. I don't really know what it's asking for. Maybe to identify them? Isotope 1. Then isotope 1. 1. Oh, I thought I'd curly break it. Okay, still wrong. Dr. Crony, I'm seeing 2 different units in this image. I imagine we have to name them properly. One consists of 1 proton and 0 neutrons, while the other consists of 1 proton and 1 neutron. No shit! Oh my god. Maybe... How did they write it before? So they did isotope 1, it's element 1. That's how we wrote it though. Oh, it's 1, 2, it's not 1, 1. So I need to remember the second number is mass number. Okay, does that mean the top one is 1, 1? There we go. Alan, if you're sitting in the room with Dr. Bautista and Dr. Crony and I, it means you're in good company. You're not here by mistake. People know your worth, the unique value you bring. Yes and no. People see that I'm good enough to get by. Even on the Apollo program, I did what I could to help. They had enough astronomers telling them the flight path to the moon was clear. So you ran for coffee. Coffee, donuts, and later some moon rock spectroscopy. Damn, poor Eckers. There's a good non-zero chance he kills himself by the end of this. I haven't had any story spoilers for this game, but I've been told some people have cried at this game. So, I feel like he's gonna kill himself. Element X is equal to X proton, Y neutron, X XY electron, X or X1 or X2. Oh, it's X0. An element is always based on a proton number. Alan, you're insightful. You must know that. We need you for coffee. No, we need you to decode this message. It's probably been 2 months since I've last helped with it. That's just not true! It's just not true, Ackers. Don't kill yourself. I suppose there's a minimal amount of help there, though I'd hardly call it expertise. Okay, so we've got a new transmission. Isotope 1 for... Oh my god, I I sounded so northern then. Isotope 1 4 equals neutron 1. Eh? Isotope 1 4. Isotope 1 4 is equal to 1 neutron. Maybe these are ions? Isotope... Oh. Oh. This is like the syntax problem I was kind of talking about with the semicolon. So this isotope 1 3 is combined in this top one. Maybe... I need to find like a good way to like sort this out. So, space, and then break. We don't want after it. Jesus Christ, that looks ugly. I wish there was another setting, like if there's 2 in a row, break another line. Whiteboard. So isotope 1 4. Uh, 64 is equal to 1 neutron plus isotope 1 3. Okay, I don't think this is an ion then. We're losing an element. Not an element, an electron, I think. No, we're losing... Maybe it's decay? So we're losing 1 neutron, or well, neutron is splitting into a neutron and another isotope. So the next one, I 1 3 64 is equal to 1 electron plus isotope 2 3. Wait, what? Well, that. Oh, wait, no, it can be. I think beta decay, you lose an electron. But I don't get why the isotope number would change. I don't get why it would gain mass just because I lost an electron. Alright, isotope 26 64 is equal to 1 electron plus isotope 36. So yeah, we're gaining another proton. I need to show up BRB, no problem. Maybe it is beta decay. There's probably something in the reference tab here. Maybe it's in the physics tab. Radioactive decay. Examples. Oh, okay, so it is decay. I don't think this game breaks it down into beta decay, alpha decay, and gamma decay. So, isotope 614 decays into 1 electron plus isotope 714. Ah, let's go visual. Blank decay equals 1 neutron and isotope. Maybe atom 1 or element 1. Element 1 decays into maybe just isotope 1. Wait, maybe it's no, it can't be fusion. Blank decays into oh, 1-4. Isotope 1-4. Alan, the hydrogen line. Oh, what? It's something you accomplish. You start the conversations, but if that's not enough, then look to the hydrogen line. The very first transmission for the basis of. Hey. He's probably going to say something like, "Oh, any astronomer could have worked out the hydrogen line." But that's it. So okay, he didn't say that. Unlucky, Alan. Born in the wrong generation. Okay. Decay equals a proton reaction. Decay equals an electron reaction. Decay equals neutron reaction. You do it. Oh, I just call it new R. So x3 equals x0 divided by x1. So that's decay. So 0.5 the power of x3 times x2 is equal to x4. So x3 is 1, so 0.5 times 64 equals 32. Well, there's a little part asked of him. That's the point. It's a shame to waste that, to waste such talent. He sounds like a brilliant performer. She should have him play more. Maybe. Would the songs have... Oh, I didn't mean to click! I think said, would the songs have been better if he had played or something? Okay. I mean, it looks like this just needs a true or a false. So I'm just gonna do that. Yeah. Okay, we have a new undefined. Oh, I got it the wrong way round. Um, 65 equals I decay. $65 question mark equals 0. Oh, it just wants a 0 equals 0. What is 65 trying to tell us? Oh, okay. So, horizontal depth. Har depth. Vertical. 65. All of these are grouped together. What could 65 be then? Maybe time? If it's talking about 4D, then it's time. Oh, I think it could be time. Because, yeah, maybe it's talking about the 4th dimension. I'm gonna quickly just put time in here. Well, that's good that they spoke about time. Maybe it's right. This is the formula for decaying. Half x3 times x2 is equal to x4. I'm not going to look at your idea just yet. So isotope 26 x1 is equal to x5. Okay, Jesus Christ, stop spamming me with ideas. Isotope 11 25 x1 is equal to x6. X6 over x5 is equal to x7. And then what is x7 to 3 significant figures? In fact, we should probably read the ideas. Just in case it has story. What is this? Different isotopes, each undergoing decay. Found it. What is it? It's the half-lives in the reference tab. By comparing the half-lives of the isotopes. So which one is it? Element 2. Does this one have a half-life? So element 2, 6. Well, there's only one of these with a half-life, so I'm guessing it's 0.81. Oh wait, it's the three significant figures, so I think it's that. No. Okay. I was gonna get very cross then if that was the right answer, because that's not three significant figures. Divide the half-life of isotope 1125 by the half-life of isotope 26. Okay. 11. Oh. Yeah. So we want 59.16. And then isotope 26. Zero point eight oh 0.8066. So we want x6, which is this one, divided by x5. 59.16 divided by 866. 59.16 divided by 8066. 73. And it's the three significant figures, so it's 73.3. Undef 69. Undef 69 time count is 1. Don't entirely know what that could mean just yet. Oops. Visual. It is a sad day. Batista, you two, what's wrong? Signals 67 and 68. We skipped them. Oh yeah, we did. Unhappy dictionary, unhappy life. Okay, so that looks like helium. An isotope of helium. And then a neutron. Isotope 26 question mark. This is decaying. No image data. Sad times. Maybe this version of Decay is specifically Half-Life. Because it's talking about time. To the whiteboard. So yeah, there's isotope 226x1 is equal to transmission 69. If time is 0, at t0, we have 69 and x2 is equal to 4096. So I26 count is equal to 4096. Okay. T169, I'm guessing. Yep. T1, if T1 equals 69 and x2, if time equals 1, blank and x2 is discussing Half-Life, but I don't know I don't know if this word is Half-Life. Anyway, let's move on. I kind of wish that every whiteboard you made, you had the option to save it. Alright, isotope 1125 x1 is equal to 73.261 dot 69. God, that line just looks like scribbles. If I didn't write that, I wouldn't know what it said. If time equals 0. No, oh, YouTube died. Come back, YouTube. Okay, YouTube's back. The YouTube stream is just so unstable recently. So what will we write it? Okay, if t0, that looks like a 6. If t0 69 x2 is equal to 262 144. Time is so if time is 146,522, we probably need to half it that many times. I don't know. I'm guessing we need to do 262,144 divided by 146. Let's see if this works. How many significant figures? So it doesn't say. I'm just going to assume that. Okay. I'm going to add a 1 in. Okay, I'm going to add another 1 in. Okay, I'm doing something wrong. Probably. To be fair, it does say... Oh, it does have a lot of significant figures in the question. Okay, now I'm wrong. Okay, I need to go to the toilet quickly. Oh, we're back. I'm going to treat myself to a Kinder Bueno. Oh, it's my last one. Fuck. I meant to get some more when I last went to shops, but Tesco had sold out. So that was disappointing. Time just goes quickly when I'm playing this game. Right. Hmm. Damn, I love Happy Hippo so much. T0, it was 496. T1, it was half. T2, it was half again. So we need to like half it that many times. Maybe we need to times this by 2, then divide it. Two nine three oh four four. Eight nine four. Well, we'll try that. I don't know how many significant figures would be best. Let's just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, let's add in a 1, just in case I'm an idiot. Nope. It's not looking good. No. Okay. So 0, 1, 2. We're doing two iterations here, so half, half. Let's go to the reference. Isotope 11. Oh. Maybe this is seconds. I'm gonna just open a calculator from Google. 146.5 5-2. Typing in game. 146. Wait, why is it not typing? 146. 522. Divided by 59. So after time 1466, 2.5 half-lives should have passed. So it should have halved. And halved again. Oh, I get it now. So I think x3 is equal to the half-life here. I think x0 is time. And x1 is the half-life. So I think... And x... Okay, I think I get it. So I need to do 0.5 to the power of that. Then times it by 0.2. 262144. And then respond with 47095.2. Okay, it looks like I maybe didn't understand that. Yeah, maybe I didn't understand it. What's 73.261? X1 is equal to that. Let's work it with the one that we got right. So what's this? Isotope 2. Maybe I was wrong then to assume the X3, X0, X1. X2 is the amount of an isotope that remains. Where's my other notebook? I need to just write this down while I'm looking at it. No, don't give me advice. Oh. Bleep bloop. So X2 is equal to amount of isotope. I think. Well, I think that's the starting amount. Yeah, starting mass, maybe. You just turn all of my alarms off since I'm awake. I'll keep that alarm off. That alarm on, because that one that goes off does mean I need to go get breakfast, start work for the day. So half power of x3 times x2 is equal to x4 so starting amount, I don't know how we get this the x3 though, and I don't know which one's time. I think one of the x's needs to be like 1 is time. I mean, we can work it back. So 1024 is equal to 4096 to the power of half to the power of 3. So a half to the power of 3 of x3 is equivalent to a quarter. How do we get... So, a half to the power of something is equal to a quarter. Okay, 2. So x3 is equal to time then. x3 is equal to time. Or maybe it's how many Half-Life iterations. Yeah, I think x3 is equal to Half-Life iterations, maybe. Instead of time. Because this one is a very nice, easy one, whereas this one is a complex one. I mean, we could just try it. So a half to the power of 146.522 times by... Do not times the indices. Times 26214. Okay, that is definitely wrong. So it must be the amount of... So x3 is probably amount of Half-Life. So we go to the reference. But I swear we already did this. I swear this is what we did to begin with. Oh, wait. Oh, x1. It says it there. x1 equals to 73.261 ... Okay, so we won... 146... 146.522 divided by 73.261 to get x3. Oh, and that's perfectly 2. Okay. And this results in 6, 5, 5, 6. Yes. Okay, we can put the notebook back down. Blank decay time equals 1 decay time equals that? No. Half decay time equals that? 0 decay time equals that? Oh, maybe it's element decay time equals that. No? Proton decay time? Or neutron? Or isotope, maybe. Fuck. Alright, what's the idea? What do we put here? True question mark? No, that would make 0 sense. You got a better idea? Yes. The transmission is illustrating the basis of undefined 69. I already know that. Yep. It's based on decay time. Oh wait. See it now? They're defining a unit of time. A specific isotope, that's what they're looking for. What? Maybe they're seconds? To be fair, we did think this was seconds. Yeah, seconds would make sense. If time equals 0 seconds. Okay. Yeah, I think that is seconds then. Recompile. Blank decay time equals seconds. Early morning messages. Who is messaging at this hour? Oh, parcel. Probably scam. Oh, that reminds me actually. I need to put in the group chat that the fuse box for the oven got switched. Blank decay time equals seconds. Do we put they're defining a unit of time by a specific isotope. Hydrogen decay time? No. Element 1 decay time? Alright, enjoy work, Leon. Bye-bye. They're defining a unit of time by a specific isotope. So I'm guessing isotope. Half-life of an isotope tracks this value, denoting the time that passes before approximately half of the atoms in a sample have decayed. Depending on the type of emission, the result contains a daughter atom that has been transmutated containing a different number of protons or neutrons. I don't get what it means by a specific isotope. Blank decay time equals seconds. And it's a specific isotope. Maybe we flick through the periodic table and see what takes like 1 second to decay. But seconds is vague. Like this is like 59 seconds. So would you say decay time is in seconds? Good try. I'd say 11, 25. Oh, that's not it. Well, it doesn't look like any isotope decays in a second. We can try argon. 40, isotope 40. Potassium. I think this is the wrong path that we're going down. I don't get what it means by a specific isotope. What if it's not seconds? What if it's minutes? Or years? We don't know. We actually don't know the unit of time. I just put seconds because that's just what I thought. Yeah, we don't actually know the unit of time. I mean, I don't know if we tried helium-6, but we can try isotope 4-6. I wish I actually remembered the elements that actually have decays. We try oxygen 11, 19, just in case. I think we tried sodium. What was it? I think we tried this. This is close to a minute. Yeah, it's not that. Put some music on. Not Doom Scroller. Enemies of the Ocean. Seconds equals 1 seconds. Oh. Isotope 2-6. Okay, so isotope 2-6. I think it is seconds then. Okay, transmission time equals transmission frequency. Okay, this is why long words are a problem. Because it's confusing. Right, transmission time equals transmission frequency times by seconds. Okay, I'm just gonna put this in my whiteboard. Time equals frequency times by number of seconds. Number.
Okay.
It probably wants me to define minutes. Okay, so transmission 0 time equals 1 second. Transmission 1, bracket 256. Time equals 1 second. Transition 2, time equals 1 second. Transmission 4, time equals 3 seconds. So, so time is 1 second. Transmission time. I don't know. Transmission 0, time is 1 second. I don't know what's in this bracket. Is this the frequency? Mm. I don't entirely get it. I'm just gonna say 5 seconds. It could be more. No. I do available. What if the time of each transmission is based on the number of frequencies? Well, yeah. Transmission 6. About 3 seconds? No. This one's 6 seconds. No. Oh. Damn. So, trans time is equal to the frequency times seconds. I don't know what's in this bracket. I don't know what the bracket means. So transmission time is 0. Or maybe transmission 0 is the frequency, and time is 1 second. So this would be 0. Then it suddenly jumps up from 1 second to 3 seconds. We could probably brute force it by eventually getting it. But even if we brute force it, I'm gonna have to come back to probably figure out. Okay, if it's more than 13, then I'm gonna stop brute forcing it. Okay. Maybe it's 1. Doubt it's 1, but maybe it's 1. Yeah. I'm gonna change transmission to just trans, so I can just shorten these sentences down. Maybe it'll click. Trans time equals the trans frequency times seconds. I don't get what this bracket is. Oh, I was hoping we could. Okay, there you go. That looks way nicer. 3 times... I feel like I'm overcomplicating it. Transmission 0, 1, 2, 3 all have 1 second. So maybe they're all the same frequency. But then this transmission... Hmm. Hmm. I've got trend 0 at the top, but... Maybe it's not the count of seconds. Maybe it's the count of the frequency times seconds. And we want the seconds, so... I don't think the frequency count is changing. Did we do 3 seconds? Well, 3 secs now. S. What do you mean? Oh, it's just sec. 3 sec. No. We didn't do 2 secs, did we not? No. Hmm. Really don't know. Transmission 1, 256. What does this 256 mean? Hmm. It's not too... Oh, I can't think. Hmm. We have tried 4 seconds, right? Just make sure we do, like, everything from here. Okay, apparently we didn't fucking try 4 seconds. I brute forced it all the way to 13, but I didn't try 4. Oh, that's fucking annoying. It's my own fault. It's my own fault. I can't believe I didn't put in 4 seconds. Wait, why actually is it 4 seconds, though? Transmission time is 4 seconds. Oh, wait. Maybe I'm thinking... I'm not thinking vaguely enough. So it's the transmission of time. So it's... Where's the transmissions? Transmission of time equals the trans frequency. So what is the frequency of trans? $43. Maybe not. I don't really know. It's just a brute force. Okay, 66 is equal to length over time. Is that velocity? Time equals length divided by 66. I think this is velocity. To the end, would you follow me? Oh, it doesn't just have like easy equations in the physics tab. I'm pretty sure it's velocity. You know what? I'm just going to put it as velocity. Oh, I should put it as V. Already V. But, oh. This is for verticality. Alright, I'll keep it as velocity. What? Time equals length divided by velocity. Length is equal to velocity times time. Oh my god. I might change some few things in the dictionary. We're changing time to just t. We'll keep sec the same. We're changing v to width. Okay, never mind, we're not. We're changing it to height. Thank god I checked that. This is horizontal. This can get changed to width. And this can get changed to height. And then this can get changed to just v. Length can get changed to just L. So whiteboard, t equals 4. We want the L. So 4v equals question mark L. We're moving 8. So 2. Oh, half it now? Maybe it's 2. Yeah. Oh! That's the end of the week. We're pretty excited. Duration of equal frequency. Chemistry, physics is far beyond my expertise, Doctor. Oh, she's including Akka's because he's depressed. So the half-life of helium-6 is their second. That's cool. I mean, what even is our time based on? Isn't it? Like the rotation of the sun. So maybe they rotate their sun like much quicker than we do. So their days are shorter, seconds are shorter, minutes are shorter. Oh yeah, that is a good point. Yeah, why helium-6? Yeah, why did they choose that as a basis of time? Can't be a coincidence. They developed really advanced nuclear physics before developing a unit of time. We do the same thing on Earth. Just a decade ago, we redefined the second based off some. Yeah, no, he's actually right. He's actually right. Yeah, no, he is right. And we did the same with weight, with hydrogen atoms and or something like that. That's cool. There you are, Akers. You did so much good stuff there. Oh, poor Akko. I feel you, Akko. Oh, Alan will appreciate it. Employee of the Week. I started it to boost team morale and reward the translation team with something a bit more simple and down to earth. Just a low stakes way to celebrate particularly helpful impact. Give the trophy to Akko. Okay, whatever song just came on is the most depressing thing ever. We're on week 19. What did we start on? We started on week 17, so we've gone for 2 weeks. Velocity. Oh, I should keep this on. So we're moving 64 length. 64 length. At 0 seconds. So in 8 seconds, we're at 32 length. Okay, I hate this song. They're the only one I probably extremely hate from them. So in 8 seconds, they've gone down at half. So after 1 second... we're at 60-0. What? Oh! I get it. So in 16 seconds it's that. So what is it after 1 second? It's 4-0. 4, yeah. Yeah. So velocity equals question mark. So we're moving 24 in a time of 3 seconds. So that we need units. What do you mean we need units? Just 8V maybe? What do you mean by units? 8 length over seconds? Maybe we need units. Well, we know a second is based on helium decay. But so what are the units for velocity are length divided by seconds. I don't know. I doubt it's this, but I will try. AI. Oh. Hmm. Length. Oh, isn't. Wait. Hmm. No signal change. Whiteboard. But velocity equals length over time. So why isn't it length second? I don't like that. It's not wrong, but it's not exactly right. Well, it's kind of like implied. Hmm. So after T14, we are at x0, x1. So we're moving diagonally. So at P0, time is equal to 14. Oh, it's just times 66 sec. No. So 0, 0, T is 14. At x0, x1, T is equal to 66. Oh, so we've moved 52 seconds. Okay, I get it. No. Whoa. Huh? When did this happen? Alan? The confetti, it's coloured now. Fuck, I missed it! Oh, Akaz is happy. Autisto is a good egg. So we need the velocity. Oh, so after 480 seconds it moves to that. P0 10-2 after 498. So after 18 seconds it moves 8. So what? So 8 divided by 18. Zero 0.44 length sec. No. Maybe 0.44 recurring length sec. Okay, maybe I'm just wrong then. Oh, it's 9, not 8. Oh, fucking dyslexia moment. That colored cafe is so cool. Good job, Bautista. Team morale is up. Oh, I just noticed the time is 10 to 9. We're gonna have to wrap this up very soon. Uh, 18 divided by 2.25. a length second. That loud official. Damn. Cool name lost to the bots. Okay. So 67 is equal to velocity. Velocity of 0 is not greater than 67. And 67 is also not greater than, because it's equal to. Ooh, what? Unexpected. So it's true. Oh, of course. We'll have to come back to number 67 because I don't know what it means. So frequency of move V is equal to 67. Let's see what this idea is. The velocity that cannot be exceeded. Oh my god, it's the speed of light, maybe. Yeah, I think it's light. I think it is the speed of light. Yep. Okay. Dictionary. C. And we'll add a space. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, so... Well... So 72 is equal to length. Length is equal to VT. $72 is equal to 1 speed of light. Huh? See. Blank count 1. Um, Let's just look up the speed of light to see if so under so number 72 is a light second. Maybe it's length count one? I don't know. Okay, it was length. Okay, that's such a big number. I don't know what 72 is yet, but maybe it's just a light second. One 73 equals 172 divided by 134217728. So 272 is equal to how many? 73. That many? Oh wait, it's that times 2. Um 134217728 268435456. Oh, is it gonna tell me how far the meteor's traveled? Dictionary. We should actually. So 72 is a light second. C sec. So C second. I don't know what this is. So 2 light seconds is equal to that. Don't know just yet. So meteor 0 width length is equal to blank 73. Meteor 0 diameter length is equal to. Oh, maybe this is some sort of units. Maybe centimeters? Hmm. So we don't know width. We do know length. Oh, we do know. So 2 light seconds is equal to that. One. So let's do some form of. God, it's hot. Um. That's my tweezers. There you are. So we need to work back. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this and then go to my whiteboard. So 2 light seconds is equal to 2, 6, 8, 4, 3, 5, 4, 5, 6, 73. Is equal to 1 speed of light second divided by 1, 3, 4, 2, 1, 7, 7, 2, 8. How much is the speed of light? So that's the speed of light. So we want to do speed of light divided by we want to do that speed of light divided by that, I think. Yeah, we do. That's annoying. So 73 is equal to this 2.2336. $73 equals 2.2336 seconds, I think. I don't know the units. I think it's seconds per second. Alright, need to pee. Hopefully this will be the end of the week soon, because I'm getting a bit brain fogged. I can't get too brain fogged before I need to do some intensive work. Maybe this is Eunice or something. I don't know. The speed of light is meters per second. Yeah, maybe it is centimeters. Maybe it's just 10.6 again? I don't know. Meteor. Okay, maybe not what I was thinking then. Oh wait, no, this is wait, it's in meters! I mean, yeah, meters would make sense since light speed's in meters per second, actually. But wait, this isn't the meteor though. Because length is... Length is, 22.8, whereas on the thing it is... It is, 10.6. Oh! These are our meters, and these are like an alien meter. Okay. Um, maybe AL meter. Okay. So reference the meteor. So we want to do 2 divided by 2.1 divided by 3.8. And then a length of 22.8. What do you mean no? Do I need units? Oh, there are units here. No, what do you mean? I already know about the reference tab. Like, why? So let me take a screenshot of the reference tab then. Calculator. So our meters are 3.8. Their meters are 2.1. Maybe I did it the wrong way around. No, their units are smaller than ours, so this is just not right. Oh, because I'm doing the width. Hey, Jesus Christ, oh, is my dictionary just wrong? Like, what's going on, guys? D is depth. Oh, they do length, width, height. It's length. Let me just check. This is definitely high, right? Yes.
Is that right? Is that right?
Yeah, it's already used.
Is that right? Is that
We already know. I've already done it. One human meter is equivalent to um yeah, one human meter is equivalent to 0.55 aliens. I should write this down though. One meter is equal to 0.5526 alien meters. So we're working out the width, maybe. Maybe we should change the length, depth. Okay. $10.5 units. But it's already in alien meters. I This song is incredible. Right, add it to playlist. What time is it? Oh, it's... What song? Oh, sorry. It's a metric song. Let me get it since autoplay has skipped it. Well, it's finished and gone on to a new song. Breathing Underwater. Maybe we've incorrectly defined alien meters. Oh, wait, 73 is equal. Alien meters is equal to 2. Oh, God. An alien meter is equal to 2.2336. You asked me if I know any good burger places around it. I don't know any of any myself. So an alien meter is equal to 2.2336. So maybe we need to times by 2.2336. So wait, what is the length of it? Width even. So the width is 22.8 times 2.236. Okay, I get it now. So it's 10.5 times by 2.2. I think. Let me just write this down. 2.2336. I'll also write down 10.5. $22.8 times 2.2336. But no, it shouldn't matter actually, because it's in alien meters here. That's the unit. I mean, I'm just gonna try. I think this is wrong. Yeah. I figured that would be wrong. It's the free significant figure, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I already did round to free SF. Yeah, we're gonna have to wrap this up like really quickly. Oops. Um, Maybe this is alien seconds. Damn, I really like this song as well. Add to favorites. Alright, I need to just go back through the transmissions. An alien second is equal to length count of 1. That doesn't make sense, it'd be alien second. An alien second is equal to the speed of light. Yeah, no. Pfft. Might have to get the notebook out for this one as well. What's the time? 9:30. Okay, I'll give myself 5 minutes to do this. One alien meter is equal to 1 AL second. Well, you know this is an AL second. An AL second is equal to length. Velocity times time. The velocity is the speed of light. So length here. So an alien second is equal to the length count 1. I don't entirely know what length count 1 means. But before we change this to ALS, this used to be the speed of light per second. we do c/s. But the speed of light is already in meters per second. So wait. So this is in meters per second squared. Maybe this is an alien. I need to change this back in the dictionary because it's confusing. I don't think this is an alien second. Just go back to speed of light per second. Wait, maybe this is an alien meter. Because its length is equal to velocity, which is c, times time, which is 1 second. So this is an alien meter. CS is an alien meter. I don't know what this is then. Yeah, I don't know what C 173 is then. But oh shit. No, but this must be an alien meter because it's the diameter of the meteor. See, this is equals to length. Length is equal. That's alien length. Maybe this is just generic alien length. And then this is alien meters. Mm. But if we do that, then we just come back to the same problem of it just doesn't work. We're just gonna have to come back to this. Let me just make a note in my notebook to Yeah, I definitely gotta go. It's I said I'd only do 5 more minutes, and I ended up doing 10. I'm slightly late, but no, good session. Shame I couldn't get to the end of the week, but it is what it is. And we did 2.5 weeks probably. Well, I feel like we're close to the end of this week. It's just I just can't get this right now. I need to clear my mind. Okay, fucking burger place. Calculate the distance unit. Yeah, I'm guessing I've gone wrong somewhere, but I'm sure a refresh will clear the mind. Anyway, Theo, if you're going live, I'll come watch you for a bit while I do some work. But if not, yep, see you later.